Hi folks, this is just another wee quick video on an update on the seeds. But before I start, I mean, you can see how basic and homemade this is. It's tin foil on a wall and a shelf. That light there is a VTAC LED. It's 65,000 Kelvin, so it's a daylight bulb. Costs a tenner from Toolstation. That light there is a LED light I bought for my artwork, but I decided to use it in here instead. These seed trays were all sown on the 8th. This one wasn't. These are my onions. They're coming up. They're doing lovely. So my onions are coming up. These three were sown on the 8th. This one is cabbage and turnip. And as you can see already, they've started to germinate. This one is broccoli, marathon F1 and cauliflower all year round. The broccoli have started to germinate. This one is Brussels sprout and kale. And you can see just in the centre there that the Brussels sprout has started to germinate. This is 2 days, guys, 2 days. And they've started to come up already. £10 light from Toolstation and a wee spare light that I had. They're on a propagator that I purchased last year. I think it was £25. It's heated. It comes with these trays. But I was watching YouTube videos, I seen folk using grow lights and blah blah blah, so I thought I would give it a wee try, and it seems to be successful. In here I've got the lettuce, and that there is my spring onions that were sown the same time as the onions. They've really come on. And a wee bit of rosemary, and that's it, guys. So here's hoping that everything else works. And if anybody's got any questions or comments or whatever, tips, I'm really in need of tips and what I'm supposed to be doing here. Please leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care, bye bye.